Welcome to our channel, where we delve into cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions for modern living. Today, we have an exciting piece of tech to introduce you to, the DEEBOT T9. Let's dive straight in and explore what makes the DEEBOT T9 a game-changer in the world of robotic vacuums. This smart and powerful cleaning companion is here to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Features of the DEEBOT T9. Advanced navigation. The DEEBOT T9 is equipped with advanced laser mapping and navigation technology. It intelligently navigates your home, creating an efficient cleaning path and avoiding obstacles. Powerful cleaning performance. With its powerful suction and innovative brush design, the DEEBOT T9 tackles dirt, dust, and debris on a variety of surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets. Multi-floor mapping. This smart robot can remember multiple floor plans, making it ideal for homes with multiple levels. It seamlessly transitions between floors, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. Custom cleaning. You can easily customize the cleaning schedule and areas using the DEEBOT app. Whether you want a quick spot clean or a comprehensive whole home clean, the DEEBOT T9 has you covered. Mopping function. Not only does it vacuum, but the DEEBOT T9 also features a mopping function. It can sweep and mop simultaneously, leaving your floors spotless and shiny. Voice control. Integration with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant means you can control your DEEBOT T9 with just your voice. It's as simple as saying, "Hey, DEEBOT, start cleaning." Obstacle detection. The DEEBOT T9 is equipped with sensors that detect obstacles and avoid collisions. You won't have to worry about it getting stuck or damaging furniture. Long battery life. With an extended battery life, the DEEBOT T9 can clean larger areas without needing frequent recharging. It's designed to handle big cleaning jobs with ease. Uses of the DEEBOT T9. So, how can you put the DEEBOT T9 to work in your home? Daily cleaning. Let the DEEBOT T9 take care of daily cleaning tasks, keeping your floors consistently clean without you lifting a finger. Pet-friendly. If you have pets, you'll appreciate the DEEBOT T9's ability to handle pet hair and messes, leaving your home pet-friendly and pristine. Multi-level homes. For those with multi-level homes, the DEEBOT T9 is a time saver. It can effortlessly move between floors, adapting to your home's layout. Smart home integration. Integrate the DEEBOT T9 into your smart home ecosystem, allowing for seamless control and automation. In conclusion, the DEEBOT T9 is more than just a robotic vacuum, it's a smart cleaning companion that simplifies your life. With advanced features, powerful performance, and the convenience of voice control, it's a must-have for any modern home. Thank you for joining us as we explored the incredible capabilities of the DEEBOT T9. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with others who are in search of a smarter and cleaner home. Stay tuned for more exciting tech discoveries, and until next time, let the DEEBOT T9 take care of your cleaning needs.